the black girl. See, that's the blue-green girl. Ah, the pink girl must have just finished eating. Oh no, I guess not. There's the red boy. Oh, he's gonna be a wild one. He's gonna need some training. No! That's the black girl. That's the black. Ah, there she goes. She wants to be in my lap. Here's the red boy again. He's got some issues. I'm gonna have to resolve them.